Hey coders, this is Tunc from Codex, and today we're going to be learning about turtle module in Python. Alright, so what is turtle module? Well, it's simply a pre-installed library in Python that allows us to create pictures and shapes and many more things. In order for us to use the library, we're gonna say import turtle, and it's just gonna pop up here. Import turtle. So this is great because we haven't used anything from turtle module, turtle library. Okay. So the first thing that we want to do is write main loop. Okay. So it's going to give error for now. It's all right. We'll be coming to that in a second. So when we're using turtle module, we're going to be creating windows. So whatever we create will be on that window. So I'll call my window vn, and it will equal to turtle and screen. Okay, and two brackets. So my window setup will be 500 to 500, meaning its width will be 500 and its length will be 500. And let's just run it and see. Actually, we're gonna say vn because we want the window to be in the loop. And by the way, if you don't know what is a main loop means, it is basically a infinite loop used to run the application, meaning it will be like processing. It will be processing the code as long as you close that window. Okay. So yeah, let's run it and see what we got. So we have this little window here. It's 500 to 500, and okay. And when we close it, it's just closing. Okay. Okay. Let's set a background color. So this is how you set a background color, and I will say black. So BG color stands for background color. Okay. And now, there we go. We have a black background now. Okay, wait, I'll show you guys something. So as you can see here, our title is Python Turtle Graphics. So how do we change this? We can change it by saying vn title is this is turtle. Alright, this is window. Okay. And as you can see, our title is changed to this is window. Okay. But Tunc, how do we create players, or how do we create shapes on this window? Well, okay. Let's create a turtle. Okay. I'm gonna call my turtle player, and it will equal to turtle and turtle. Okay. And player shape will be turtle, which you will see in a second. And player let's say player, okay, let me just write it down. Player set position to 0 and 0, which I will come back in a sec. Okay, let's run this code and see what we got. Yeah, we don't have a turtle, right? In fact, we do. It's just black. Yeah. Player, color, and white. Let's see what we have. Oh yeah. Now we have this cute turtle here in the middle of the screen. So the reason why I said player set position 0 to 0 is that I wanted to show you guys how to change the turtle's position on the window. Okay, so I'm assuming you guys know what are the coordinates. So basically the middle, the origin is being 0, 0, and as we go to right, it's becoming positive, positive, positive. As we go left, it's becoming negative, negative. As we go up, it's positive. When we go down, it's negative, okay? But in the middle, it's 0 and 0. So when we set our x to 100 and y to, let's say, minus 300, now, okay, it goes to that coordinate, but yeah, it's here. Okay, so yeah, so we can change our turtle's coordinate like this, but I'll be just using the 0, 0 coordinate, and it's basically built in the Python. Like, I don't have to call it like set position to 0, 0. It will automatically set it as, it will automatically set it in the origin, on the origin, okay? So what I wanna show you guys is to move our turtle, okay? So player forward, and now we wanna put how many pixels we want our turtle to go forward. So in this case, I'll say maybe 50. Yeah, let's just give it a shot. And yeah, as you can see, our turtle went 50 pixels forward. But what is this line here? Okay, so it's basically a pen. So we can remove it by saying player pen up, okay? And when we say pen up, now we won't have that line. And there's also pen down, which basically draws the line. We're gonna be using pen up. Okay. Let me talk about this. Okay. So while true. So you might heard this, but I'll just explain it to you guys anyways. So while true, I want my turtle, let's say, to go, let's just remove this. Actually, let's just copy and paste it over here. I want my player to move forward, let's say, by 2 pixels. So because it's while true, it's always gonna do this. So in the time that the code is being executed, this will keep going until we can't see the turtle anymore. And it's gone. And yeah, so that's basically another loop in a loop. So it's kind of like a paradox. But yeah. So I also wanted to show you guys that because I'll be using that in the upcoming videos. But for this video, I guess that's it. Like, that's the kind of the basics of the turtle module in Python, and I showed you guys how to create a screen, create a turtle. There's a lot of things that you can do with Python, and I will be posting my projects that I did when I was a beginner and with the turtle module. So stay tuned and see you in the upcoming videos. Bye bye.